Toka Maaka. Te hau mahi is our heading. I am actually the Biodiversity, Biosecurity Manager, which involves more or less pest management, pest eradication, as well as storage of waterways and sand dunes. Yeah, it's I guess it's something we've right through the board, no matter whether it's our own area or the wider range. We've always wanted to do this. It's what more or less our people, our families wanted to do, have been trying to do all our lives, and to actually get the chance to do it is actually an eye-opener, and it's awesome. I like to see our Tonga species right up there, and I'd like to see every iwi show that off and show them we can do it better than anyone else. Well, you just got to have a look and see what we got here. And to survive, and that's right through here, not only here, we live off here. This is our kai cupboard. So for us to preserve it and to want to be still living here, we need to preserve what's out there. I'm hoping they get to carry on what they're doing now. And yeah, I mean, we've got 15 guys plus under us doing this. I'm hoping at least one of them get to carry on and further their career, whether it's here or whether it's down the line. Yeah, they've got to get something out of this.